So now we have this 2011 Mazda 5 2.3 engine, and we're going to change oil change. So I already lift up the car with the two jacks down underneath support to the car, and yeah, I'm going to repair the exhaust, same thing as well, because as you can see it's already fell off. Look at that. And yeah, and this is my welding machine that I bought it from Amazon. And yeah, first thing we need to do here is, before we drain the oil, just gonna open this cappuccino and this thing right there, and I think we need 40mm to drain that plug. Yeah, this will take time too.